So let's take a look at this app. It's called Pingo AI Language Learning. So learn to speak a new language with Pingo. Start speaking in real conversations, reach your goals with personalized lessons, get fluent with instant feedback, learn words you'll actually use, stay motivated and see your progress. So this is AI speaking language learning app. One of the most popular, is growing in popularity super fast. So yeah, you can just communicate with the app and use kind of real life conversation scenarios and talk with ultra realistic AI that feels like a native speaker. So that's kind of the main feature. Let's take a look. And then you can just tap start. There is a free week if you wanna. And then there is a tutor mode, there is role play mode. But unfortunately, then yeah, you need to upgrade everywhere. So yeah, seems like yeah, I think they just made it paid only, unfortunately. So it's a bit different. But the idea again is that you're just kind of talking with the app, and it kind of responds to you with AI. So it's audio first app where you just talk with it. Unfortunately, there is no free version at all. So not even limited. It's not like Duolingo. Here you need to right away upgrade with a trial. So that's kind of what it is at the moment. Yeah, even on the basic plans, yeah, unfortunately.